Hi, Intro to Web Design. It is Monday, October 5th, and here are your instructions for when you are learning online this week. So for Group B, which is letters L through Z, you are at home on Monday and Tuesday. For Group A, you are at home, of course, on Thursday and Friday, and your letters A through K. And everyone, of course, is at home on Wednesday. So here's the breakdown for your week. So for Group B, you're going to start in Schoology on section 2.7. And it's on URLs, domains, and hosting. You'll want to step through the 4 different sections. You have information about how URLs work, phishing scams using HTML, domain names, and hosting, and then you have a quick quiz over those first 3 topics that you've studied. This is due by the end of the day on Monday, October 5th. Then, starting on Tuesday, October 6th, you want to start assignment Pro Designer, which is in folder 2.8. You have instructions, then you have step 1, then you have part 1, and then you have your image file instructions on how to get those on your Chromebook so that you can add them to AWS Cloud 9, which is part of your project. So there's a video and written instructions for the Pro Designer project, and that is due at the end of the day on Wednesday, October 7th. This is similar to the last major assignment that you did that was in AWS Cloud 9, and that, let's see, that was called the Search Engines website. So this is very similar. And again, you have a video and instructions in 2.8.0, then you have a quick quiz at 2.8.1, and then 2.8.2 has more instructions for you, and then your image instructions on how to get those into Cloud 9. So as always, please let me know if you have any questions. Please email me. We can certainly schedule a Google Meet. And again, for Group B, 2.8 Assignment Pro Designer is due at the end of the day on October 7th. If you're a Group A, you've already done 2.7 in class on Monday, so you are now ready to start 2.8 Assignment Pro Designer on Thursday, October 7th. No, excuse me, October 8th. And it will be due at the end of the day on October 9th. And that should get you through our first week of hybrid learning. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. All right, good luck.